ये मेवार जहाँ पन्ना ने चंदन का बलिदान दिया, ये मेवार जहाँ मीरा ने प्रतिबल गिरधर कान किया, ये मेवार जहाँ सांगा ने स्वयं 80 घाव झेले, ये मेवार जहाँ झालमाल मृत्यु के संग खेले, ये मेवार जहाँ पद्मिनी जौहर की परिवाटी है, ये मेवार जहाँ रक्त से रक्तिम हल्दी घाटी है, ये मेवार जहाँ कभी केसरिया झंडा झुका नहीं, ये मेवार जहाँ कभी चेतक घायल होकर रुका नहीं, ये मेवार जहाँ पद्मिनी जौहर की परिवाटी थी, ये मेवार जहाँ रक्त से रक्तिम हल्दी घाटी थी, ये मेवार जहाँ मामासा के दान में हाथ बढ़े, ये मेवार जहाँ उंठाला में वीरों के शीश चढ़े, ये मेवार जहाँ कृष्ण विष को अमृत कर जाता है, ये मेवार जहाँ स्वप्न में शत्रु देख धर्राता है। अरे सूर्यवीर का सूरज जिसकी होगी शाम नहीं, त्याग दिए महलों को लेकिन बने गुलाम नहीं। कि प्राण बंधना करती आई सोग ताप की धरती, कि प्राण बंधना करती आई सोग ताप की धरती, कि प्राण बंधना करती आई सोग ताप की धरती, सिंहासन को खड़ा रखेगी काव्य ताप की धरती। अरे सिंहासन को खड़ा रखेगी काव्य ताप की धरती। मर्यादा के खातिर महल को छोड़ दिया था, लेकिन अकबर के आगे झुकी नहीं थी महाराणा प्रताप की धरती। My name is Himanshu Raj. Today is my presentation session, and we know that presentation session is so good and so easy. And all the students are comes to a stage and 5 to 8 minutes explain in on topics. And मैं एक ऐसे आदमी के बारे में बात करने जा रहा हूँ जो कि एक चीज़ बनवाए थे, जो कि अभी दिल्ली में स्थित है। और ये बहुत मानो कि हिंदू जब हार गए थे सन 1798 में, तब इन्हें बनवाया गया था मुस्लिम के द्वारा। एनीवन गेस? यस, कुतुब मीनार। एंड कुतुब मीनार इज अ very bad thing, and all peoples are no like a Hindu religions are no believe the Muslim things, and many peoples are believe these things because here both are things, and all peoples are do I want these things but he don't do, and many peoples was do, and one things he also believed, he also think, he also how to make, but he make the construct, he also who make the Qutub Minar? No. Yes, he handled the last time. No. He also thinned the Akbar. Then after he also escaped the Aurangzeb. And he was the very baddest people. And one thing in Prithviraj Chauhan, you know Prithviraj Chauhan, and Muhammad Ghori. He also related the Muslim religions, and Muslim religions is a very bad thing, and Hindus also seen the food side. He also both are also very big enemy, and that time also both are very biggest enemy in that time, and Muhammad Ghori also related the Muslim religion, and Prithviraj Chauhan is the related the Hindu religion, and this is the most important, because any Prithviraj Chauhan is not come, then after all are in now time all are gulam, all are gulams, and you are a servant in now time, and that time is not, both are not war to each other. That time I also respect the both peoples like Maharana Pratap, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Prithviraj Chauhan, and I also but I also worship this freedom fighter, and all are also great warrior in that time. And now time no one people have an idea how to create the war, and now time all people was go to seen the Qutub Minar, and no one people go to seen the Ram Mandir and Hanuman Mandir, Mahavir Mandir. No one people seen, but all people seen the Muslim things. That is bad things. I don't seen these types of things. And Mewar, whose time Mewar war that create that time Maharana Pratap was thin, and the think and thoughts, and say Maharana Pratap have no idea how to war, how to that time. He was not ready. He was not ready in that time, and don't create the war. And that time he excitement, and Muhammad Gauri have no anyone idea, and that time he also create the war and create the anything. And you know in Tutmis, and he was also related the Muslim religion, and the in Tutmis is also handle the construction in the Qutub Minar. And I say any question, ऐसा कौन सा चीज़ है जो ब्रेकफास्ट में नहीं खा सकते? Anyone? Lunch or dinner? Yes, I come in my topics, and the Maharana Pratap and in Tutmis both are also neighborhoods village, and one society is the very biggest in what who in a Maharana Pratap, and the in Maharana Pratap was a thin thoughts, and I am a great warrior, and don't on not say, because all people say and all people worship the Maharana Pratap, and because he is a protector, and he don't survive in that time, and Maharana Pratap is not work properly, and that time no one people survive in that time, and the Maharana Pratap is a very big warrior, and he have also many soldiers, many warriors, and he also conduct to all warriors, and he have an idea how to war, how to handle the war, and anything he have an idea. And in that time in Tutmis have lots of Sainik in 3,900 horse riders, and Volkers warrior is a 91,000 he have, but Maharana Pratap have 971 horse riders, and in Volk soldiers in 7,090 soldiers in Volkers, and that's comparison in Tutmis soldiers and Maharana Pratap soldiers. But that time also who winner in that time? Yes, Maharana Pratap win, because he have an idea how to in any sai, no, he have no any types of sai, no any types of fear, any create the groups, and he also go to in alone, and also create the war in alone. And thank you.